Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your love bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for my Virgos today. And these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Virgo, let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Virgo. Still a lot of stuck energy, Virgo. Still spying, seeing what the other person is doing, still waiting for that message which hasn't come. Maybe a lot of delay, yes, no communication. That's what I was feeling from seeing these cards. So lack of communication here. The message that you've been waiting for, there's been a lot of delay. Feeling rather stuck and just getting a bit annoyed, I think, at, this secrets or why somebody's not opening up, basically. So what I'm going to do, Virgo, before I start this reading, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll kind of clarify these cards. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person spirit, thank you. A few more from here. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person spirit. Okay. And I'll take a couple more from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person. All right. Good to go, Virgo. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, Virgo, I can't believe how much time we've wasted on bullshit. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacle together and heal in sacred union. This relationship seems more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. I want to welcome you into my family. You are half my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close, and I'm aching for you. There is more to this that I'm able to share with you right now. It's a lot of secrets still. Somebody's not opening up. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. So Virgo, if these dialogue messages are resonating with your storyline, let's start clarifying these cards. And before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to this reading. And for you, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. Yes, Virgo, I think if you've been very anxious, I think I think this connection has kind of taken a bit of a backseat. There is a little bit of stagnant energy going on. So don't try and push it. Maybe in divine timing the answers will come. I know there's a lot of anxiety, a lot of wanting to spy and find out what the other person is up to. But what Spirit is saying, you need to take care of yourself. If you've been having any sleepless nights, please take care of your health, because sleep is very important for you right now. Okay? So let's start your reading now. Page of Wands, Spirit, for Virgo. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Somebody wants a change, yeah. Somebody feels wondering, where what play of destiny this is. There is no message coming. There's a lot of sadness, regret, looking at the past, waiting for somebody to return back, wanting the past to remain in the past so you guys can have like a transformation or a new beginning. Just waiting for the universe to bring this about now and let the wheel of fortune be moving in the favor of this connection. But as of now, there is nothing on offer, it seems. There is no new beginning on the horizon, but somebody still seems to be waiting for that change to come into their life where their person will come back and things will start moving in a forward direction once again. Right now, there seems to be a bit of delay, but there is somebody here who's totally wrapped up in the memories of the past. Still waiting, watching, thinking of how they can get their person back and dreaming of the day maybe they will be together. Not seeing any action though, not seeing any action, feeling, this is my bad luck, that things have kind of become a bit spoiled between the soulmate connection. Lot of stress, lot of tension, wanting now to release this toxicity from their life because they're feeling very stuck. They feel their partner keeps probably too many secrets, keeps them always in confusion, maybe keeps them as an option, I don't know. They're wondering whether it's time now to shut this chapter, or is it going to ever begin again? Will it ever start again? Yes, there is somebody is blindfolded, being pulled in two different directions, not knowing what to do. Is it time to shut this chapter down, release it altogether, or should I wait? Because there is that feeling that we can be a power couple, we can have a happily ever after. So all this person, this could be you, could be a person, I don't know. All this person can do is kind of watch from the sidelines at the moment. Maybe stalk their partner on social media or try and get information about them. They just want that person to make some wise choices, be strong and show up in their life as a person who will take charge. They just want to come out of this, hermit mode that they find themselves in, waiting for a brand new beginning. But as of now, Virgo, I see zero communication between the two of you, only delays. Both these cards have come second time round. Delay and no communication. That's making somebody very, very angry. It's kind of got somebody's guard up now because of the stagnancy. Now their mind is going all over the place. Is it too many cards? Is it that my partner's got secrets? Yes, this overthinking has begun now, Virgo. This overthinking of, what is my partner hiding from me? Why are they not messaging me? Why is there lack of communication? What are they up to? This is kind of bringing in a lot of doubts and insecurities in this Queen of Swords life, who's kind of facing a stagnancy here in this connection. So the Moon card, Spirit. Moon card. I think somebody is going back and forth again in their mind about is the love lost? Is it lost? Is it gone? That fear is there. Is it gone? Or is a reconciliation possible? Can we have a brand new start? Right? So somebody is very, very confused. They're up in their fields. They're very emotional right now. What's the Hierophant, Spirit? Hierophant. 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 I don't know what to say to this reading. Virgo. Somebody just wants that person to open up. Okay, somebody just wants that person not to hold back anymore. They feel that person may be telling them lies. They may be tricking them. They are hiding emotions from them, hiding the truth from them, behaving like maybe a trickster or something like that. They just want them to open up and talk to them. It's like I'm getting frustrated with this reading now because there seems to be somebody who is just not willing to emotionally invest at this time very well knowing that this is their 10 of cups. Like 9 of cups is wish fulfillment, which is in reverse, and then the 10 of cups, which is in upright, which is so frustrating because somebody is just not willing to give their 50% or give that 1 cup of love, which can, make the 10 of cups. And because that 1 cup is missing, somebody is not opening up or not, communicating or not doing or saying the right thing, it's leading to a lack of wish fulfillment for the other person. So yes, what Spirit is saying to whoever is the waiting party here, that don't stress yourself out too much, Virgo, because it's going to affect your health. It's time that you take a little rest and let the universe handle this for you. I have to take one more. Spirit, what? Please give Virgo one more card, please, of a blessing or guidance or advice. Blessing, guidance, advice for Virgo. Yes, Spirit is saying don't worry about it. It's just a pause. It's just a pause. Use this time wisely and concentrate on yourself. Okay, so if you're getting paranoid about and imagining the worst case scenario, which is probably true or not true, I don't know, because there's lack of communication, your mind is going in the worst possible direction, thinking all the bad things that can happen. So Spirit is saying just take a pause, take a breather, take some rest from this relationship, and soon all will be revealed in divine timing. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.